How to enable sound in Google Meet screen share. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to enable sound in Google Meet screen share. So first thing, just head over to your Google Meet application, and if you already have created your link, that is your video link, just click on it or on the existing one, or you can also create a new by simply clicking on this video icon over here. So let me just click on my existing one over here. So once inside here, just tap on this screen share button over here. Click on and as you can see, it will automatically start recording, and just click on continue as well. And so once you're inside this screen, you just have to click on this audio option, output option, just tap on it. And you can also click on a speaker or phone. Just like that, you'll have successfully enabled your audio on your screen sharing. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.